My name is Angie and I work for Dr. Cooper for Cooper Chiropractic Clinic in Parowan, Utah. And I am very excited to share this new toy that we've brought into our office. Well, it's not a toy, it's actually a very serious exercise medical machine. And I have to tell you that it is very exciting to see the immediate results that we've had and people's new sense of energy and willing to be out there more active, being able to move, build their muscles with very low effort, because we started with this machine. Doc had gone to a seminar in Salt Lake a couple of months ago, ran into this machine, tested it out, and we didn't know he was bringing it in. We show up Monday and he says, "I have something to show you girls." Well, he brings this down, and of course we were the guinea pigs as the staff. We got on it, and within the first couple of days we were hooked. The energy level, the relaxation after work, we were noticing that we were sleeping better. And within about a week's worth, we were doing it about 3 times a day, 5 to 7 minutes each time at a very low impact. We started seeing the weight loss, which was even a bigger plus for us ladies. We started showing it to our patients. We got trained to use it, and the different results are endless. So I'll just share a few stories that we've had. We had a lady in her upper 60s come in with some hip issues. She came in and she would drag her leg because her hip, was hurting her so much. So Doc offered, to show this to her and see if it would help her. We got different cases. This lady came in, and we have 2 steps to get to the machine. She would have to hang on to the rails and the wall to get down. We put her on the machine, which you can see it's only about 11 inches off the floor, but for some people even that's a challenge. So, we helped her get on the machine. We did her for about 5 minutes on the machine. And when she came down, she got off of the machine by herself, turned her around, almost speed walked those 10 steps to get to the stairs to leave our office, walked up the 2 stairs by herself without holding the rail. And I think that was one of our very first intense results, because I think it was within the first 3 days we had the machine in the office. And to see that instant improvement, you can only imagine how excited we were to share it with as many people as we could. So we started focusing on our more intense cases, invited patients in that had bigger issues, walking, backache, and we see this over and over again. We've had people come in that couldn't stand on the machine, and there's a way that you can sit on a chair and place your feet on the vibration plate, and it actually helps enhance those muscles and build the muscles so you're able to get up and then do some more of the exercise. The blood circulation that it causes people to have these happy hormones come all over, and we see people that come in for the first time kind of droopy, exhausted, just kind of overwhelmed with life stress, and after they get on it the first time, they go, why do I feel like I want to go paint my house, and we tell them, do it a couple of more times and see how it goes. Well, they come back a second time, and we had this one lady actually that had really bad leg pain, a little overweight, had some leg swelling, and we told her, you know what, do it twice a day for a couple of days and see how that goes. She came in the first time twice a day, then she came in the following day. And she comes in and slams on my counter. She says, "Angie, I am a new woman." And I'm going, "What happened? You won the lotto?" She came in saying that she hadn't had that kind of energy for about 1.5 years. She had, projects at home to do, but she had no energy. She said, it was so frustrating. She says, "I went home the first night, and I stood up." I think she says she was up like 11 hours that day, which normally she says, I do something for about 20 minutes and I take a 4-hour break, and then I do a little bit more. So that's not much time to work if you only have 20 minutes of energy. She came in and she said that she worked in her pantry for 3 hours straight and still kept doing things around the house. She says, "I don't remember the last time I was up without a power nap or a break for hours in a row." So she continued to come in, and she brought in some lady friends of hers, and we've seen the same thing. I mean, the energy level. And these ladies range from 62 to 85 years old, mind you. They're all using the machine. We've seen one of the ladies lose her back pain. The energy level also. We had another one that was suffering from insomnia. She says she hasn't slept like that in years also. These past 4 days that they've been coming in, you know, she says my restless legs are also gone. So like I said, I can keep going on and on with the advantages, and this is just within a day to 4 days worth of maybe twice a day on the machine. A lot of people do see the impact within the first 5 minutes that we put them on. It's just, you have to try it.